Kia ora and welcome to this final module in carbon chemistry and fuels. Now under the standards tab you'll see that you're working towards the 2 standards again. You may have already completed the carbon internal when you finished the previous module, but this also covers some implication in case you are interested. Otherwise you'll be working towards the exam standard. So there's the other internal. And you need to revise all 3 modules, the 3.1, 3.2 and the 3.3 before doing the teacher marked assignment for this module. You will find under the overview there all the lessons, they're hyperlinked, and you'll see we're covering methanol, fermentation, which is making ethanol, as well as plastics, which is a key point. And then you do the teacher marked assignment. You should already have the equipment box, and you'll notice there's a number of things you'll need from your home in order to complete all the experiments. When you look at the first or in the connections tab, you'll see that again covering the atom and so on is done in the attractions of atoms and patterns in chemistry, but this module is very good in preparing you for level 2 organic chemistry as well as an internal at level 3 on polymers. And if you're doing science, you may be interested in to know there's that connection with fermentation in the Science 90950 standard, so you'd like to do that, and there's a good overlap. Right, the 3 cornerstones in chemistry. Macroscopic is what you see, so plastics, what makes them hard, what makes them soft. The microscopic, this is the particle level, so we're looking at carbon chemistry where it's got double bonds and they can connect up to form long chains of polymers. Or if we have a different starting block, then we have a slightly different polymer. Okay, so they look similar, but they actually are different with different properties. Then the final cornerstone is, of course, the model, which is the symbols, formulae, and equations. So we could write something like this. Finally, your best learning happens when you make notes. Please process the information. Try and think about it. Summarize. Make sure you understand it. Check your answers. Have you given all the detail? Make sure you've understood all the key points. If you haven't, contact your teacher. And finally, as I was pointing out, that it's always relating to atom and bondings for chemistry. So the more modules you do, the more easier you'll find it. So all the best for your learning. Goodbye.